So in today's episode of Amateurs Build Their Own House, we're playing Switzerland versus Canada. So this is a so-called Canadian Shield, and I've been at this already for 3 hours or so with the diamond saw and a jackhammer. This is a section of the drainage pipe that we couldn't finish last year, so down there, and it's gonna be connected all the way over there. So for your amusement, here's some clips. Not perfect, but better than before. So I had to rent a bigger jackhammer. This is like 100 pound. Ja, deutscher Bohrhammer. It's definitely better for my arms. It has a bit better vibration absorption. But look at that. This is Canadian style. Don't give me a chisel. Is this a chisel? And the spade, yeah, spade is sort of okay. The other one was also blunt. I'm not using this one. It's gonna take way too much time to sharpen. Unbelievable. And they still charge me $170 for 2 days. And the wifey already put all the fabric up here, and so that is how it looks. I guess it's like 6 hours all in all over multiple days. And the sun's all done, glued in, finito. Look, say again what you said.
Look how deep it is.
No, how beautiful it looks. Again, say it again.
Look how beautiful it looks.
Yes, okay. And what did he say about the jackhammering?
You did a great job.
Did a great job. Tough job, okay.